teacher Debbie. Today I'll be going through a multiple choice question and an open-ended question on the topic of metal. Let's start. Question 1. Study the classification chart below. David wants to use the above substances to fill up the balloon so that he will get the balloon with the shape as shown below. To answer this question, let's first examine the classification chart. Since this classification chart is about matter, can you recall what are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. Now, we can follow the chart to identify what is substance A, B, and C. Let's look at substance A first. Substance A has no definite shape and cannot be compressed. Cannot be compressed also means that it has a definite volume. Which state of matter has no definite shape and cannot be compressed? The liquid state. So we can conclude that substance A is a liquid. Next, let's look at substance B. Substance B has a definite shape and cannot be compressed. Which state of matter has a definite shape and cannot be compressed? The solid state. So we can conclude that substance B is a solid. Next, let's look at substance C. Substance C can be compressed, which means that it does not have a definite volume. Between the three states of matter, only one of the state can be compressed. Which state would that be? The gaseous state. So we can conclude that substance C is a gas. Now that we have identified what substance A, B, and C are, let's look at the question again. David wants to use the above substances to fill up the balloon, so that he will get a balloon with the shape as shown below. In order to fill a deflated balloon to an inflated balloon to the shape as shown, the substance used will need to take the shape of the balloon, meaning that it will have no definite shape. Which of the substances have no definite shape? We know that substance A has no definite shape as it is a liquid and it will take the shape of a container. Is there any other states of matter that also have no definite shape? Yes. So in order for David to fill up the balloon to the shape as shown, we will need to use substance A and C. Therefore, the correct answer will be option 2. Next, let's go through an open-ended question. Question 2. Tom placed a funnel on an empty soy sauce bottle to fill it with soy sauce. When Tom poured soy sauce into the funnel, he noticed that the soy sauce dripped into the bottle slowly. When Tom lifted the funnel, he noticed that the soy sauce flowed in much faster. Part A. Explain why the soy sauce flowed faster when Tom lifted the funnel. To answer this question, let's first examine the diagrams. First, we have an empty soy sauce bottle that David is trying to fill it with soy sauce using a funnel, and he noticed that the soy sauce dripped in slowly. Is the empty soy sauce bottle really empty? What can you actually find in the bottle that's invisible? Air. We know that air is metal and all metal occupies space. Therefore, air is taking up space in the bottle. Since air is taking up space in the bottle, do you think there is enough space for the soy sauce to enter the bottle quickly? No, soy sauce cannot enter the bottle quickly unless some air leaves the bottle. Here's an analogy for you to understand this easily. Imagine this. You would like to enter a room that has a maximum capacity of 10 people, but the room already has 10 people inside it. Will you be able to enter? No. Someone will have to leave the room in order for you to enter. So linking back to the diagram, in order for the soy sauce to flow into the bottle quickly, some air will need to leave the bottle. So what did Tom do in the second diagram? He lifted up the funnel. What happened after Tom lifted the funnel? He noticed that the soy sauce flowed in much faster. Why is this so? From the first diagram, we concluded that air was taking up space in the bottle. And when he lifted the funnel, what can escape from the soy sauce bottle now? Air is able to escape the bottle through the opening. When air escapes from the bottle, soy sauce is able to flow in faster to occupy the space previously occupied by air. Now that we have fully examined the diagram and written down our observations, we are able to answer the question. So how should we phrase our answer? We can write that the air in the flask will be able to escape through the opening. This allows the soy sauce in the funnel to take up space previously occupied by the air and flow faster. Let's move on to the last part of question 2, part B. Tom then measured the volume of soy sauce needed to fill the bottle to the brim. He found that he needed 250 ml of soy sauce to fill the bottle to the brim. Tom emptied the soy sauce bottle and tried to fill it with marbles. Although each marble had a volume of 1 ml, he found that he could not fit 250 marbles into the soy sauce bottle. Using the properties of matter, explain why the soy sauce bottle could be filled with 250 ml of soy sauce but not 250 ml of marbles. To answer this question, let's first identify which state of matter is soy sauce and marbles. Is soy sauce a solid, liquid, or gas? Liquid. And what are the properties of a liquid? Liquid does not have a definite shape as it takes the shape of the container, and it also has a definite volume and cannot be compressed. Next, are marbles solid, liquid, or gas? Solid. So what are the properties of a solid? Solids have definite shape and a definite volume. So why is the soy sauce bottle be filled with 250 ml of soy sauce but not 250 ml of marbles? Let's draw a diagram together to understand it easily. This diagram shows the soy sauce bottle containing some marbles. And since solids have a definite shape, it does not take the shape of the container. And when we have marbles in a container as shown in the diagram, what can you observe between each marble? There are air spaces between marbles. And what occupies these air spaces? Air. Air is a metal and is also occupying space in the soy sauce bottle. Since we have air spaces between each marble, do you think we are able to fit 250 ml of marbles in the soy sauce bottle? No. Now that we have fully examined the question and written down our annotations, we are able to phrase our answer to this question. We can write that soy sauce is a liquid and will take the shape of the soy sauce bottle as it does not have a definite shape. But marbles are solid and have a definite shape. There would also be air spaces between each marble which are occupied by air. We hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Please give us a like and click subscribe to our channel for more useful science content. Thank you, and I will see you next time.